hey, I'll be unboxing this for you. I have no idea what's in it, and surprise, I'll be throwing them without even knowing what they are or how they fly. First disc, Glacier, Sea Lion Glacier. Pretty nice. Next one, Sea Lion Glacier. Prototype DD4. I have no idea the flight numbers, no idea what. It's almost like a hybrid between the Q1 DD3 and the PD2 DD4. Pretty thick rim. It has quite a bit more dome. Yeah, those things are overstable.
Says coming.
Q-Line DD1. Haven't thrown any of these. Whoa. Already some road scratches on it. Those things are super flippy. Once again, DD1.
Don't hit the house.
Oh, those are the things that go so far. FD, I've thrown these ones before. They're super overstable, actually. Don't go in the bushes. Man, those things, Q-Line stuff goes so far. Another FD.
One more left.
Whoa. Premier Q-Line Horizon Cloudbreaker. These things, listen to the dome. This is crazy. Overstable, I'm assuming. Man, you got another one. Cloudbreaker. These are crazy. Q-Line, they feel like champ discs. Not champs. I don't know, but they feel so nice. That was a bad throw. Oh man. Bee in my hair. Everything's going wrong except those discs. Those are insane. I'd only thrown the FD and the Glacier. All the rest I'd never thrown before, as you could see with the DD1 and the Q-Line and the DD4. Those things are crazy. Thank you so much, Discmania. It's always the best to get new packages and new discs sent to my house. Best feeling ever. My little brother just handed me the bush now, so we'll see which one's the furthest one I threw. Thanks, guys. See ya.